To make a quick review about the payment that have been approved from Yunda. As you can see up here on my screen, I've been approved some commission. So before we continue, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell below and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into what I was about to show you. So Yunda has approved me for $706. Remember last month I had $404. So as you can see, I'm growing, and that's the best thing, to grow. So last month I had $404 and now I have $706. That is an addition of $302, which I've grown over for the last 30 days. So guys, without further ado, let me just take you to my commissions, then I'll show you what have been approved amount. So let's go to my commissions. So here the approved money, as you can see, approved. There's some for the last month. So you can see here it's 293. So if you come back, if you return it back, you'll see the approved amount. So guys, if you are looking for a legit online business, I think this is the easiest one that you can start with. So you can start with $68 to join. You sign up, then confirm your account, pay for get response and email hosting, and start earning money as soon as 24 hours. So guys, as you can see, this is my dashboard. I don't want to get into deep today, just wanted to show you what have been approved, and I will request this payout here. I'll come to payout to me, and I'll request the payout. So I'll come and request here, then I wait for my payment to be sent to my PayPal account, and it will reflect down here after being paid. So guys, hold on, you'll see my PayPal account again and I'll update you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.